In 2016, a Japanese scientist won the Nobel Prize in physiology for discovering something your body does when you stop eating long enough. Not weight loss, not fat burning, something far more interesting. Your body starts eating itself in the best possible way. Most people who do intermittent fasting have no idea this is happening. And honestly, once you understand it, the whole thing makes a lot more sense. Let me walk you through what is actually going on inside your body when you stop eating. Number one, the first few hours. Your body uses what it has. Right after a meal, your blood sugar rises and your pancreas releases insulin to move that glucose into your cells. Your body is in storage mode. It is burning what just came in. As hours pass without food, blood sugar starts to drop. Insulin drops with it, and your body begins to work through its stored form of sugar, called glycogen, which sits mainly in your liver. This phase carries most people through the night between dinner and breakfast. It is why the word breakfast literally means breaking a fast. You have been fasting every night without realizing it. Most people never go beyond this point. But if you do, something more interesting starts to happen. Number two, the metabolic switch. Around 12 to 18 hours without food, your liver starts to run low on glycogen. At that point, your body faces a choice, and it makes the switch. It begins converting stored fat into an alternative fuel called ketones. Your cells, including your brain cells, can run on ketones just as well as on glucose. And for many people, that switch comes with a noticeable shift in how they feel. Clearer thinking, steadier energy, less of the mid-afternoon crash that follows a carbohydrate-heavy meal. This is not magic. It is your body doing exactly what it was designed to do when food is temporarily unavailable. For most of human history, going 16 or more hours without eating was completely normal. The practical implication: if you eat dinner at 7 p.m. and breakfast at 11 a.m. the next day, you have given your body enough time to make that switch. That is all a basic 16-hour fast actually is. Number three, autophagy. Your body starts cleaning itself. This is the part that earned a Nobel Prize in physiology or medicine in 2016. And it is the most underappreciated effect of fasting. Autophagy literally means self-eating. When your body has been without food long enough and insulin is low, your cells activate an internal cleanup process. They start breaking down and recycling their own damaged or dysfunctional components. Old proteins that are no longer working properly. Cellular debris that has been accumulating. Parts that need to be replaced. Think of it like a building that finally gets to do its maintenance work during a quiet night. During the day when everything is running at full capacity, there is no time. But when things slow down, the repair crew gets to work. Research suggests autophagy begins to activate somewhere around 16 to 24 hours into a fast and deepens the longer the fast continues. The honest caveat is that exact timing in humans is still being studied. But what is clear is that low insulin and low nutrient availability are the main signals that switch it on, both of which are well established by this stage of a fast. Number four, hunger is not what you think it is. Here is something that surprises almost everyone. The hormone that drives hunger, called ghrelin, does not just respond to how empty your stomach is. It follows a clock tied to when you usually eat. If you always eat at noon, your body releases ghrelin at noon. Not because you are hungry, because it expects food. Hunger is partly a habit, and habits change. People who consistently shift their eating window find that the hunger signals shift with it. Not because they are suppressing anything, but because the hormonal pattern adjusts to the new rhythm. The first few days are the hardest. After that, most people find it gets easier than they expected. Number five, what the research actually says. Intermittent fasting has been studied extensively in recent years. A review published in a leading nutrition journal, drawing on 55 studies, found consistent benefits including weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation, and changes in gut bacteria. But the honest picture includes caveats. Most studies are short-term. Long-term data is still limited, and the benefits appear to be similar to those of regular caloric restriction when total calories are matched. Intermittent fasting is not magic. For many people, it is simply a pattern that makes eating less feel more manageable. What it is not is dangerous for most healthy adults. It is a pattern your body was designed to handle. Your ancestors did it every day without calling it anything. So skipping a meal is not starving yourself. It is giving your body time to finish what it started, to clear the glucose, access the fat, and run the maintenance work it cannot do when food keeps arriving. Your body was built for this. For most of human history, going 16 hours without eating was not a lifestyle choice. It was just life. We gave it a name. We made it a trend. But the biology was always there, waiting. Check out the other videos on this channel. We decoded what sugar, stress, sleep, and Ozempic do to your body. Each one connects to this more than you might think. Comment below, did the autophagy part surprise you or the hunger hormone finding?